What's going on? Welcome back to Nothing But Power. In the last video, as you saw, we've done a paint correction and a ceramic coating. Now 1,000 miles later, we're about to do the first wash, so you can basically see the benefits of having ceramic coating done, and yeah, you can see how well the car will look. So that's what this quick video is about. Just a quick disclaimer, because it is horrible that we've had to do this, but basically, as you know, we've got the detailing van on the road, but unfortunately in our last job, the pressure on the jet wash has actually been lost. So I really wanted to get this video done and get this out to you guys, so we've actually come to a local petrol station, just so we can use their jet wash basically. And that's the only thing we're using. I just want to stress that it's just the jet wash. We're not using their brushes or anything like that. We've bought our own. We've got the van just over there, you'll probably see in a minute. So yeah, we're just going to be using the jet wash only, okay? So let's get into it. So basically what we're showing you here is how the water just drips off. So the car's been fully washed. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing once again. The reason why it's so easy to wash once the ceramic coating has been put on is because of the hydrophobic qualities that the ceramic coating has, which basically it doesn't allow the water to seep into the paint or to sit on it properly. It just beads right off. I did hopefully try and show that in the video. So yeah, it's looking amazing now. I'm just going to show you some cinematics of how the car looks now it's being done. And yeah, just don't forget please just to like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell as well, just so you get a notification when we upload in new videos. We've got another video coming up where I'll actually be doing a review on my car, and the first drive video as well. So I hope you like that. That'll be coming out very soon. So I'll catch you soon guys, and yeah, this is what the car looks like.